Okay, so car going around a curve. So AC is V squared over R. But then, what if we do 3R and 2V? So what does AC become if we do 3R and 2V? Now that's still squared, so that's 4V squared over 3R. So that's 4/3 the centripetal acceleration as before. So the answer is B. So they might ask it like this with just letters, or they might tell you like, oh, before it was 12. What is it now? You have to like do like 12 times 4 divided by 3 and do some math in there. But that's how to do that one.